You know what I found here? A monkey. A monkey in UAE. Let the monkey eat also. No?
Kabalo siya.
Mm.
She eat everything, ha? You eat also. You eat.
Okay, okay. He's to message. Why you let the bread there? Take the bread.
Chin.
Eat it.
Language is that.
Silang baba.
Yeah, so that's what the monkey are doing. They put it on the side of their
Yes,
mouth.
Here.
Two sides.
Yeah, two sides. They will
Yes.
keep it there. So they have all the time food. You see?
Di na tiring?
Yeah, so they'll keep it on the side. They will chew it and they will just put it on the side. You see? Storage. Storage room, huh?
Yes.
Nasibutri. Relax na siya, relax.
Relax lang, relax.
No, Lord.
You want mobile also?
You show me Victor.
Sure daw. She's looking also.
You show me Victor.
Let's go.
We're going. My friend, where are you taking the monkey?